positive on the future. I'm gonna tell it like it is. I won't let anything stand in my way. Got my eyes on the prize, gonna stay that way. I'll teach you and you can teach me. We'll exchange information on how to be the best we can, not anything less. It has nothing to do with how we look or dress. Not material things that make us who we are. Not the sneakers, not the jewelry, not the clothes or the car. Not the job, not the money, nor the status size. This momentary pleasure, not a valuable prize. Honesty and truth rank high on my list. Caring for others helps to assist, cause I choose to move with love in my heart for my brothers and sisters in every part of the world. You know it doesn't make sense to discriminate, to put down another because of their color or race. I must appreciate the differences in each nationality. I don't want you to look just like me. Imagine everyone exactly the same. Life would be so boring, I'd go insane. I'm young and I'm positive on the future. I'm gonna tell like today's my heart. Anything standing in my way, got my eyes on the prize, gonna stay that way. I need all people to live. This is the kid. The greed that of living is mine, not me. I need a world of clean air to breathe, where I can drink the water and enjoy the trees. You gotta recycle and that is a fact. Don't leave it up to us to clean up your act. The oil spilled and the needless deaths. Do we wanna leave the planet and go somewhere else, to the moon or Mars? You better beware, cause you do the same thing when you get out there.
Give us support to fulfill our dreams.
Nobody cares, that's the way it seems.
When I pick up a paper, I'll turn on the news. I'm overwhelmed by the negative views. I'd rather hear about the good things in life,
Not the tragedy, not the strife.
If nothing else, I must try to find
A little bit of time to enrich my mind.
A little bit of time, yeah, to enrich my mind, yeah.
Cause I'm young and I'm positive on the future. I'm gonna tell it like it is. I won't let anything stand in my way. Got my eyes on the prize, gonna stay that way. Cause I'm young
and I'm positive.
Say I'm positive.
I'm positive.
Say I'm young.
I'm young.
Say I'm positive.
And I'm positive.
Say I'm young.
I'm young.
Say I'm positive.
I'm positive.
Say I'm young.
I'm young.
Say I'm positive.
I'm positive.
Cause I'm young and I'm positive on the future. I'm gonna tell it like it is. I won't let anything stand in my way. Got my eyes on the prize, gonna stay that way. Cause I'm young.
Yeah.
I'm young, young, I'm young, yeah.
Cause I'm young
Yeah, yo.
and I'm positive.
I'm positive, yeah, yo. We are the youth and we have come to shine the light, to show you the way you're living just ain't right. It's endangering the future that you will lead, for all living things and for human beings. We're on the brink of ecological disaster. What you do today will determine our future. All generations are counting on you to find yourself and change the things that you do. It's time to be the change, and for what you know is right. It's time to be the change and build a world of light. It's time to be the change and unite as one. It's time to be the change and that means everyone. You gotta feel the change to live the change. You gotta share the change, spread the change. You gotta give the change to be the change. So be the change, so be the change. Real change starts from deep down inside. Take a look at yourself, we are not divided. Listen to your heart and see what is real. The oneness of the earth is what you will feel. Read rising for the first time, uniting a global youth movement. Together we can deal with, collaboratively thinking of our place on this earth, collectively growing a global rebirth. Like a wave in the ocean, we'll wash away the old rules. Through society we have forgotten nature's jewels. Humans' true nature is love and compassion. The people of the earth are being driven to action, lost in a mindset of consumption and greed. The people rising up, that's what we need. Yeah, yeah, that's what we need. Come on everybody, that's what we need.
We can uplift.
We are family.
We can uplift.
From our hearts we lead.
We can uplift.
Planting seeds.
We can uplift.
Spreading unity.
We can uplift.
We are family.
We can uplift.
From our hearts we lead.
We can uplift.
Planting
We
seeds.
can uplift.
Spreading unity.
Together we can collaborate, working together to integrate synergy of our spirits into action, free from money's distractions. Change with nature, bring peace to all beings. Listen to the earth, tune into her feelings. We're all right here, right now. Deep down inside, we all know how. Creating a global movement of the people. Our voices are uplifting. Power to the people. Power to the people. Come on, everybody. Power to the
We
people.
can uplift.
We are family.
We can uplift.
From our hearts we lead.
We can uplift.
Planting
We
seeds.
can uplift.
Spreading
We
unity.
can uplift.
We are family.
We can uplift.
From our hearts we lead.
We can uplift.
Planting
We
seeds.
can uplift.
Spreading unity.
We can uplift the contaminated water. We can make this all the sort of global movement. You can join us. You can make things better. It's just a matter of time. Everyone has got the power, yeah, no one can decline. We can take the sky high. All corporations want is the money. Couple times, random time, eating pie. The pollution is a crime. Mankind, know that we will fight for our human rights. Yeah, let's join together, make it stronger and stronger. Till it's to propel the of hope and justice. Don't cut the privilege systems on, and don't kill our primate cousins.
We can love, we can change, we can do anything. We can love, we can change, we can do anything. Stand up, unite, we will do anything. Stand up, unite, we will do anything.
The ocean is ours, but no one owns it. We're walking in heaven, very few people know it. We're constantly grateful, but nobody shows it. This boat is ours, let's learn how to row it. Intergenerationally activated, we can't stop now. This earth is sacred. Life is a treat.
Life is a treat.
Man, you better know that we're linked to a heartbeat. The earth is dying, so we stand up for our rights. Let's get everybody up so we can shine our light. We're constantly motivated, activated, liberated. Let's all become one to be fully meditated.
We are family. From our hearts we lead. Planting seeds. Spreading unity. We are family. From our hearts we lead. Planting seeds. Spreading unity.
Power to the people. Power to the people. Power to the people. Come on, everybody. Power to the people. Power to the people. Power to the people. Yeah, yeah. Power to the people. people. Yeah, give power to the people.